Sa lahat ng napuntahan ko sa Taiwan, dito ako may hala, naiiyak siya. Good morning. Let's go. Let's go, guys. So, pinapanood ko yung mga videos ko kahapon. Puro ganyan, di ba? So, today, I'll make sure na nakaganto siya. Nakita niyo yung double chin ko. Let's go. Napak ko na yung mga pasalubong. Kalahati ng luggage ko, yan lang ang laman. Now, magbibihis na tayo. Good morning! We have to fuel up for the day. So, we'll have a breakfast here somewhere near the hotel. Then, eto, meron ako nakita. Ganito na nga pala dapat. Ganyan. Oh, I want some soup. Soupy breakfast. Ito, meron. For 70 NTD, this is oyster. Hala, oyster dito sa umaga. Oyster something. Can you guys see the oysters? May wharf kasi dito malapit. Pero di ko sure kung yun talaga yung pero tara. Picture na natin. Mamaya gabi ako mag-chicken. But for now, let's have some soup. Wow. Ang sarap eh. Mamaya na oysters. Soup muna tayo. Para siya yung sa Aichung rice flour. Sarap. Kain muna ako, guys. Try the oysters. So, malaki yung oysters dito. Mas malaki pa dun sa ano, sa Kalibo. Sarap. Just imagine yung sa Aichung, 65 siya, tapos plain lang. Ito, same lasa. Tapos, 70, may oyster na. Tapos meron din sila ng intestine. Tsaka mas malaki to dun sa small na nabili ko sa Aichung. So, minsan maganda rin talaga na maghanap-hanap tayo ng mga ibang food na wala dun sa mainstream. Wow. So good. We are going to withdraw some money now, guys. And we're at the Cathay United Bank ATM here at the Shuanglian station. And we're also gonna add some load to our EC card. We are now at the Qing'antan station. Now we will have to find where can we ride the bus. It's 15. Good luck. Sa lahat ng napuntahan ko sa Taiwan, dito ako may hala, naiiyak siya. Hindi, parang isa kasi ito sa goal ko talaga na puntahan. Hala, ba't naman tayo naiiyak? So, before anything else, guys, I have to go to the bathroom, to the restroom, to the toilet, kung anong gusto nyong tawag. So they have some stores here, and that's the restroom. Guys, I forgot to put some what do you call this? stockings. It's really cold here. I mean, not freezing cold, but it's cold. This is the coldest I've ever been to here in Grabe. It's cold. It's cold. Hi po. Good morning. It's not a joke. It's really cold. Oh no. Mag-i-stockings dapat ako na brown, but I really forgot. So, Chin Paoli. Look. What the fudge? My hands are freezing. No more buses. The bus left. Why'd you laugh me? I'm thinking of buying a coffee here. The cafe. Let me check the price. If it's like 50 or 60, we will buy. But if it's more than that, nah. Let's check. We can check. We can check, right? Oh no. Ayun pala. Meron siyang gloves. Hala, wala ng bus. Wala ng bus. Did you hear that? She says she regrets everything. Yeah. Dun sa dalawang kabayan na hindi sumakay, the charter bus is going down dun sa balik sa service center. Tapos dun tayo ulit sasakay naman going to MRT. So tama lang ng decision natin to ride the charter bus. Okay? As a DIYer. Guys, pagdating nung hindi ko na alam kung masa na tayo, pero alam ko dun yung bus station sa may kabila. Ang lamig pa rin dito. So yung sinakayan ko from the service center is 108. Then nakita ko doon sila ate. Ngayon, we have to walk. Nandito tayo sa may Yangmingshan bus station. So maglalakad tayo, pupunta ng bus station. Sasakay tayo ng S9 based sa Google Maps. So bahala na kung maligaw-ligaw tayo, kasi grabe ang adventure. Guys, 10:38 pa lang nagugutom na. Ba't ako biglang nagutom? Ay, hindi, kasi nag-poops ako kanina. Kaya ako nagugutom. Siguro doon na tayo sa Beito kumain. Tinanong ko sila dito kung tama ba na pag pumunta ko Shime Road is S9 yung sasakyan. Tama naman daw. So let's wait. The bus is like 2 or 3 minutes away. Antay na lang natin. The bus is here. So medyo maraming sasakay. Is this one? Hindi pa daw, antayin daw natin yung isa pang bus. Meron pa isa. The locals are very helpful. So the other lady, hindi siya nag-speak ng English. And then someone came up speaking in English. And then she asked me, where do you wanna go? And then I say, Beito. Then I have to drop or stop at Shinmiru. So yun sabi niya, let me ask the driver if dadaan na Shinmiru itong S9 bus. So yes. Dito na tayo sa Shimen Road. Kinakabahan lang ako kasi baka mamaya yung tinuro sa akin ng map na pwede ako pumasok ng museum dito sa may kabilang side. Eh hindi naman pala pwede pumasok. But we will not know that if we don't try it out. Kailangan ko na umihi. Ang lamig dito bisa Taiwan, be. Ang lamig, be. As in. Ganun. I-picture mo na tayo. Kaya pa papigilan yung ihi ko? Yes. Kaya pa. We are walking and kaya pa naman pigilan. So this is Beito. Wait lang guys. This is Beito. So there's this temple. I don't know if do you have a bathroom here? Pag na niya ako eh. Baka kasi bigla ko going mo eh. Charot. Hindi na ano lang ako. Like, are you stopping here just to take a pee or a look? Yeah, be careful with the road. Be careful. Be careful. Be careful. Be careful. Anyway ka pa. Teddies. I get to see a lot, guys. Experience and meet a lot of people. So that's fine. 50 meters. This is the museum. So hopefully, may CR na dito where we can take a leak. Shams. Shams! Oh, toilet, toilet please. Sobrang lamig kaya siguro ihirin ako na. Hindi naman pwede hindi ako uminom ng tubig kung mag-dehydrate na ako. Hanap tayo CR guys. We are now at the museum. So let's be mindful of our eating. But here it is guys. Nandito na tayo sa Thermal Valley. Hindi ko na napakita sa inyo yung mga kaganapan, but I think the viewing deck is up there. Grabe, ang struggle ko hanap ng CR. Ang lakad ako eh. Kita niyo ba yung umuusok? Okay, I think solve na ako dito sa Thermal Valley. Hanap na tayo ng food. Saan tayo kumain? Saan tayo kakain? Wala pa akong ideas. Tara, labas na tayo. We'll have ideas. Right? Dito sana maganda oh. So this is what the entrance looks like. Let's take a picture. And over here. You can try opening it. Oh. It's warm. I like it.
Buy one.
Now that we're here, going out, wala pa rin toilet ba? I think this is the Grand View Resort. So I think maganda naman to if may kasama ka tayo, tapos may kahati ka sa gastos, ganun. But for solo travelers like me, no, wag niyo susubukan. Jeez. So now, ito na tayo. Find a place to pee. Where can I pee? Feels warm. But now that my hands are warm and it got wet, maybe later it'll become cold again. So may mahabang pila. Is that sausage? Sausage. Piling ko sausage to, guys. Ang ganda ng view. No? Ang ganda talaga. Like, this is a normal city here. Normal place, you know. Pero ang ganda. Ganda. Wow! Ang ganda. So, di niya alam kung ata. Yan, may mga hotel dito. Hotel. So, where are we going now? I'm not sure yet, but let's check out our maps first. Yung river hindi straight pa hanggang sa labas. Ito na naman yung mga Where is it? Na river. Grand river. Tingin ko hanggang dun yan. Pero let's just keep walking. Let's 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 just keep walking, guys. There's been so many places. So many things to So dapat right now, pupunta na tayo ng Bay 2. And then we will go to Tamsui Station. Right? So this is the Taipei Public Library. Let's take a picture or video here. Wait. I'm thinking. Take a video. Here. What do you think is the perfect place? Maybe here? Annie. Here? Guys, I saw someone painting here. She is going to the library, but ayoko siyang pakalaman. I just want to take a moment to appreciate this architecture. It's really cute. I don't wanna be a nuisance. Ayoko silang pakilaman. Ayoko silang orbayan. Okay, let's go down. There's a pond here. Uy, parang alam ko na kung saan ko ilalagay yung camera ko. This is the pond. Maybe we can set our camera appreciate. Ang dami dito pwedeng kainan. Saan tayo kakain? May sukiya dito. Pero ayoko naman nun. Gusto ko Taiwan food. KFC, may McDonald's, may Starbucks. Ganda ng mga structures nila, guys. Diba? Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng photo nila. Ang ganda ng everything. Ang ganda ng lahat ng bagay. We're now at Shinbei-to station. We are now at the train going to Beito. Feeling ko naman isa lang yung train dito. Hindi tayo maliligaw. Hindi tayo magkakamali. Right. So once at Beito, we go to Tamsu. Ba't ako inaantok? Hindi naman inaantok ang babae na ito. Mali ako ng tren na nasakyan. Dapat pala yung tren dun sa kabila. Ito yung nasakyan ko pabalik ng Taipei. So dito tayo sa kabila. We are now at Tamsu station. This is the last station of the red line. Dito rin tayo sasakay mamaya pabalik ng hotel. Kojo. Kaja. Dito tayo sa number 3. So pagbaba nyo, kaliwa lang kayo. Aristo. Are you guys excited? What? See up here. Ang ganda. Hanap mo na. Nakakaamoy na naman ako ng sausage. Sausage na naman ang naaamoy ko. Hanap tayong sausage. Kain muna tayo, be. Deserve naman natin kumain, no? May market nga pala dito. Tamsui market. Kain tayo madamingin. Kasi lalaki ka natin, tapos naka-skirt tayo. Paano ba yan? We are going to try both of this. So let's find a place to put our... And then... let's try. Hindi ko siya uubusin na. Try lang. Oh, strong. Ito yung pala ng base. Sakto lang. Hindi ko bet. Hindi lang yung OS ko sarap. Sakto lang. Ito yung milky nila. Ito masarap. I like it. Pero din natin yung kakain lahat. Try din natin ito.
鸡肉花枝丸，对，红色辣的，白色胡椒盐，红色辣的，来后面先排队哦。任选5支100饭，任选5支100，哪几饭？一起的。我给了，给了，给了，给了。看懂。来，是的，来你好。5支100啊。我给了啊。
你们敢知道吗？
那你的话就买4送1。
好。要辣，小姐要辣。帮我再撒一点椒。Pinagaya lang natin sila kung ano yung nilalagay nila. So we are going to try it. Naman nyo. Now, moment of truth. This is cuttlefish to. Sarap siya, be. Sarap.
Chin. Two color. Chin.
Oh, nag-change siya.
Yeah. Two moment.
Share. Let's find more other things we can buy. Hindi pa ako nakakabili ng something para sa bahay. Baka dito may makita ko. Ano, mga 200. Ay, hindi. 100 lang budget. Uy, ito para sa Chara. This one, 300 eh. No piece. Baka kasi mabasag eh. Ito, 100 isa. Let's find a cheaper one. Cute you. Wala akong bet. How about wooden something? 300 NTD, 550 ang set. Marami na siya. All we need is a pair of chopsticks. So big. It's like my arm. Kasing haba na siya ng braso. How about this one? 40 lang. So hard to choose, guys. I like these ones, the wooden ones. How much? 40 ang isa. Mahirap eh. Hindi pa rin ako nakakahanap ng pagkain na may kanin. Uy, puro snacks dito. Puro snack sila. Wala pa rin ako nabebele. Uy, may nakita ko. Chicken bata. 50 daw ang chicken bata. What is this one? Pet ng manok Pro Max. Ilang manok yung kinatay for this one. So, picture muna natin siya before we try. Let's try it out. If you're coming to Taiwan with kids or with your parents, I recommend you guys go here sa Tamsui. Ito na yung seafoods, babe. Mahal. How much with this one? 50? 对吧？这个大大吗？不要哈。Oh no！
来，鸟蛋，快吃完鸟蛋啦！你要什么，小姐？来，快吃完鸟蛋，要什么？好，一份鸟蛋，胡椒吗？30。
Let's try. 是的 Cuttlefish.
最顶的。
Lakad tayo along the river. Oh my god. Dang. Dito tayo sa mga senior citizens. Tapos mamaya kapala natin mukha natin. Kanta tayo ng beanie. Marami nang nagawa. Wow, shishi. Sayo sila. Gusto niyo yun? Sayo tayo. Oh, nagcha-cha sila. Oh. Gusto niyo ba? Sayo din tayo. Gusto ko tumakbo sa may gitna. Maganayin ko may intrusive thoughts ko. Ayaw gumawa na intrusive thoughts ko. Ayaw manalo ng intrusive thoughts ko. Ang ganda dito sa Tamsuy. Parang next time dito ako mag-stay. Basta ganitong season din. Ganda mag-stay dito guys. Just mag-bike, mag-rowing tayo, mag-bike tayo. Tapos sasakay tayo ng wharf going dun sa may port. Kasi may wharf dyan. Sakay kayo ng baka papunta dun sa wharf. Busog na rin kasi ako. Busog na rin kasi ako kaya wala na ako sa mood kumilos-kilos. Or maglibot pa. Ang dami rin dito nangingisda oh. Ganda! Tapos alam mo diba ito parang ganda ng view. Tapos maganda yung Chenerlu. Tapos dun may mga buildings. Diba? Buildings. Pero feeling ko mga residential buildings. Yan, mga condo and everything. Tapos, napaka-effective in transportation. Ayan lang. Ayan lang yung station. Tamsuy Station. Grabe. Sobrang ganda. Grabe. Walang-wala talaga. Hindi ko, sorry pero di ko talaga maiwasan ikumpara siya. Alam mo, pwede ako pumunta dito pala sa Taiwan. Hindi ko siya i-file na VL. Hindi ko siya i-file na VL. Ang dami pang pwede kainin kaso ayoko na kumain. Busog na talaga ako. So, balik na tayo guys. Let's go back to Taipei. Alam nyo guys, may naiisip ako, di ba may mga ganyan kumakanta. Mag-aaral ako ng isang Taiwanese old song. Tapos pag bumalik ako dito, kakanta ko dyan. Nakakala mo ka. Pero yes, I will do that. Nandito na tayo sa Tamsuy Station. We're heading back to Taipei. And punta muna tayo ng HSR Taipei Station to get our ticket for tomorrow. Before we plan to go somewhere else. Yan muna yung focus natin for now. Okay? I have reserved my ticket in advance. Now we were going to get the ticket here at HSR Ticketing sa Taipei. Hi guys! So we already have our HSR ticket for tomorrow. 12:21 ang ating alis. And then, hanap na lang tayo ng other places to go for tomorrow. Okay? But for now, since we still have time, 3:30 pa lang, we can go to Zhongshan. I want to have some coffee in Zhongshan and then we can buy some other things there. Okay? I already took a lot of photos. I'm just gonna insert it in the video. Pero yeah, maraming shops here sa Zhongshan. But I haven't found my shop. I can't see a shop that is meant and is supposedly for me. Okay? Look at that. It's just a simple building with a shop. And it's great. I think they're starting to make Zhongshan like a fashion place where pwede kayong bumili ng mga damit. Puro damit and accessories and apparels and a lot more yung mabibili nyo dito. So I think it's a really nice street or place if you really want to shop or find some local brands. So I can't find a place to shop. You know, there's a lot of options, but the items or the products are just, they're just not me. It's not you guys, it's me. So, ayun. Wait lang. Let's take a photo here. Ang cute ng salita ng mga bata. Naririnig ko ba? Cute nila magsalita. Cute. Super cute. Cutesy cutesy. Feeling ko hindi ako para sa Zongshan. Doon ako sa may Wufen, sa may Zongshan. Try natin bukas ng umaga mapunta dun sa may Zongshan. Pero for now, let's walk to the hotel kasi medyo malapit lang dito yung hotel. There are so many options, like thousands of options to buy and wear. Pero wala. Meron ako nakita isang shop. Lagay ko dito. So, para siyang Ghibli shop. So, pagpasok ko may mga ceramic na maliliit na figurines ng mga cats and etc. Pero di ko siya super bet. And then, may mga teacups, chopsticks. No. It's not resonating to me. So, my plan is just to go back to the hotel. And then, I will take a bath and I'll curl my hair na lang for tomorrow. Mag-woofing po tayo. I need to pee, guys. I have to pee. Look, oh. Yeah, there are lots of stores like that. Films. See? Ang dami yung option. So, mag-search na lang kayo din muna kagad. Saan kayo pipili kasi ang hirap mamili. I have to rest. And we're back at the hotel. Nag-share lang ako saglit. So, pinag-iisipan ko kung mag-shower na ako. Mag-shower na tayo. Para bukas, malinis na. For now, since wala pa yung mga karoon ko, ayusin ko na yung maleta ko. Tapos ilalabas ko na yung mga isusuot ko for tomorrow. Ilalagay ko na sa maleta yung mga hindi ko gagamitin.